Good day, Team GCI. I'm Brad Alexander, and in today's GCI Market Outlook, let's take a look at Forex trading on gold, dollar Swiss, dollar yen, the FTSE 100, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the S&P 500, and the NASDAQ. Yes, today's word is uncertainty. We have discussed this many times. Traders and investors can react to good news or bad news, but uncertainty is poison for the markets. Before we look at that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notified on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. On the 19th of February, the market started downward, as we can see from the major U.S. indices. The fact that the White House paused some of the tariffs yesterday was no consolation for investors as the sell-off continues. I will also repeat a long-standing tenet in trading: technical analysis takes a backseat to fundamental events in times like this. We saw this during the first Trump administration with the on-off U.S.-China trade wars. This time it is far worse, as the rest of the planet has been dragged into the uncertainty. We can see key levels of support on the S&P 500, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and the NASDAQ. But in all honesty, we need to see some positive news from investors before we follow any reversals to the upside. The litmus test may come today with the U.S. non-farm payrolls. If traders and investors pay attention to this, we will know. If not, we may have to wait until the tariff stories are resolved. Also, Jerome Powell will be speaking today, so let's see if we can pick up any clues. Probably not. But if we are seeing a sell-off, where is all the money going? The US dollar index is falling along with the rest of the stock markets. We see price action on gold rising from the first day of the month, but consolidating now. And we see dollar yen down with more money flowing towards the yen. The same with dollar Swiss, as the yen and the Swiss franc may be coming back as safe havens. Anyway, be careful out there, and we will see you again on Monday. That's all for now. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.